Unraveling the Mischief. Understanding Shenanigan. Hello, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into a word that's as fun to say as it is to explore: shenanigan. It's a term that pops up in stories, movies, and everyday conversations. Stick around as we unravel the mischief behind this playful word. Shenanigan refers to silly or high-spirited behavior, often linked with mischief or deceit. It's not just about playful tricks. It can also imply underhandedness or questionable behavior. For example, when someone says, "No more shenanigans," they're usually asking for seriousness and no fooling around. The origins of shenanigan are a bit of a mystery, much like the word itself. Some suggest it comes from an Irish word, while others think it might have roots in Spanish or German. Despite its unclear history, the word has been widely used in English since the mid-19th century. It's important to understand how to use shenanigan in context. Let's look at a few examples. The kids next door are always up to some shenanigan. During the festival, the streets are full of people engaged in all sorts of shenanigans. If you're looking to expand your vocabulary, consider these synonyms for shenanigan: mischief, tomfoolery, antics, hijinks. Each of these words carries a similar sense of playful or troublesome behavior. Shenanigan often appears in cultural references, especially in comedies or children's media where playful trouble is a theme. It's used to describe the light-hearted chaos characters might find themselves in. And there you have it, a closer look at the word shenanigan. We hope you've enjoyed this exploration and feel more confident using this word in your English conversations. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the nuances, and every word has its own story. Until next time, no shenanigans.